Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Well, guess what? After all these years, my channel is finally monetized here on YouTube. So when you have time, go to my homepage and click on videos. I have over 150 videos of tablescapes, house and cabin tours that you can watch through when the weather's bad or there's nothing on television, and it'll help my channel to grow. And it will literally earn me pennies on the dollar. And I mean pennies. I'm not joking. But also, be sure and subscribe to this channel. Only 30% of my viewers are subscribed. So that would really help me if you would subscribe as well. It lets YouTube know that you're interested and that they should promote my channel. But back to the matter at hand. Today, I've set us a cute little St. Patrick's Day tablescape. I believe it's traditional to serve corned beef and cabbage on St. Patrick's Day. So with that in mind, I've set a Clover and Cabbages tablescape. I'm doing lots of my cabbage dishes along with clover accents and every shade of green. So let's take a look around the table. Today I'm using a green tablecloth that has clovers in green all over it. I picked this up at Temu. I ordered it a few weeks ago. I thought it was cute. And I'm going to pair with it these placemats. They're actually reversible. They have the dark green on one side and the lighter green, but I'm going to use the lighter green side today so that it'll contrast with the tablecloth. I found these last year at Marshall's. And I'm also going to be pairing with it these green cabbage plates. These are Panero, and they're from Portugal. These were a thrift store find. I'm going to be using my black handled flatware today. For my glasses, I have these pretty forest green boopy glasses. These I ordered from eBay, and they're vintage. And I also have these green, they're sort of a avocado green because I'm mixing my greens today. But these are Fostoria, and they're also vintage. They were a thrift store find that Mother got for me. I'm going to also use these little juice glasses. These are oatmeal glass, and they're in the forest green as well. I have the oatmeal glass custard dish. I've got the little tray, and then I have the little dish. These actually belong to my grandmother. They're part of her collection. And then for the dinner napkins, I have these parrot green napkins, and I have a little napkin ring that I made myself. I just took a ring that was a different color and covered it in green ribbon, and then I glued this little cute little clover or shamrock. I believe I picked the shamrocks up at Dollar Tree, and they had a bag of them, and I just hot glued it on to make me a little festive napkin ring. Here in the center of the table, I'm using my cabbage terrine. It's sitting on a tray. I got this years ago at a mail order company, probably about 35 years ago. They were called Domestications, but to be honest, I'm not sure if they're still in business. But I love this terrine. It's large, and it normally resides in a cabinet in the breakfast room. But I thought with my theme of clovers and cabbages, it would be perfect. And here on each side, I've placed some black candlesticks, and I've just put dark green candles in them. And I've also set a couple of little leprechaun hats. These were just in the St. Patrick's Day area at Hobby Lobby. And at this end of the table, I have the Pinero. This is the Cabbage bowl. It's the deeper green. If you'll notice here with my plate, it's a little darker green. I got it years ago at TJ Maxx, and at the time, I don't think the cabbage dishes were all that popular, but I liked it. I have, of course, you guys know, a lot of bunny rabbits, and cabbages look good with the bunnies and the carrots, and so I picked it up ages ago, but now it's very pricey on eBay. I think I probably paid about $15 or $19 for it years ago, but they go for $80 and $100 now on eBay. Now my dinner plates, Mother found those at a thrift store, and they're the same brand. They're from Portugal, and they're the Pinero, but they are the lighter green, and they're the smaller dinner plates. I think they're about 9.5 inches. They're a weird size. I wished I had the ones that were a little bit bigger. They're too big to set on a 12-inch dinner plate. They cover it up, and a salad plate covers this plate up. So one of these days I'm going to run across another set of the larger dark green plates. But for now, I have these, and I like to use them with my Easter things too. But I think they're pretty, and I can't get over how popular the cabbage dishes are. Here I've got a little set of cabbage salt and pepper shakers, and these are actually homemade ceramic. I'm pretty sure, because they don't have any markings, so I think that's what they are. And I was talking earlier about the oatmeal glass. This was my grandmother. She kept it up in the top of the cabinet, and I don't ever remember her using it. But you got a piece in your oatmeal, in your carton of oatmeal, and so she kind of had random pieces, and so I had to get a few pieces, and I had a friend that gave me a few pieces to complete my set. But that's the old oatmeal glass. And here I've got a cute little cabbage. I guess this is a covered dish, and it is also a homemade ceramic. I think it's pretty cute. Here at this corner of the table, I've got my green Astoria pitcher. I think Mother found this, actually not with the glasses, we found it later. But I have this color of glasses that are sort of the olivey green. But I've also got the Astoria glasses that are in more of a hunter green or a blue green. But I thought I would mix the greens today and use these. Here at the back, I've got this cute little cabbage teapot. I believe I picked it up at Marshall's years ago. It has a little butterfly on the top. And like I said, I got my little boopy glasses on eBay. Whenever I first started collecting antiques in the 80s, they were very popular and very pricey. And they've actually come down in price a bit, but everybody wanted them. And at this corner of the table, I've got my jadeite green large cake stand, and I've set a cabbage covered dish. It was a thrift store find. I always tell Mother to buy all the ladles that she comes across, and it did not. She called me and said, this doesn't have a ladle. I said, well, it's okay. I've got one in the drawer. And this ladle fit in it. But I've set it here on top of this little wreath of shamrocks. I found that at, I believe, Dollar Tree. I had that. But that goes along with my cabbage theme today, and it is not the Panero, but it looks like it. I think it's unmarked. I don't think it had a marking. I wish they would make more high-end St. Patrick's Day themed dishes, but it's difficult to find them, so I don't really care for party goods all that much, but like I said, I mixed in a few of the little leprechaun hats, but I wish I could find some pretty Clover dishes. I wish they would make some more high-end items. This table was a bit of a challenge, but I managed to come up with the theme. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Be sure and subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, wishing you a happy St. Patrick's Day. Bye-bye now.